India, a land bursting with color, flavor, and every kind of weather you can imagine. But you know what makes each season even more special? The fruits and veggies that arrive with it. I want to give you a quick, tasty guide to India's freshest produce, season by season, so you always eat what's best, when it's best. Let's kick off with spring, February to April. The markets are alive with cauliflower, green peas, spinach, and juicy strawberries. This is detox season, your chance to load up on greens packed with iron and fiber. Trust me, nothing beats a plate of fresh spring produce after winter. Now summer, May to July. Mangoes. Need I say more? The king of fruits plus watermelon, cucumber, and sweet corn. These cool you down, recharge your body, and make the best juices and chats. Add a little mint and lemon and you're set for the hottest days. Monsoon rolls in from August to September. Digestion slows, so I always go for lighter, immune-boosting foods. Bottle gourd, turmeric root, roasted butter, and bananas are my go-tos. Avoid leafy greens this time, they can carry extra germs. Instead, spice things up with some ginger and turmeric. Your immunity will thank you. Next up, autumn, October and November. This is when you rebuild strength. Apples, pomegranates, those beautiful red carrots and beans keep your immunity strong as winter approaches. I love biting into a crisp apple or making a fresh carrot salad. So simple, so healthy. Winter arrives December to January and brings a real feast. Carrots, turnips, garlic, onions, and juicy oranges fill every market stall. Think gajar ka halwa, warm soups, and hearty sabzis. Winter is for nourishment and comfort. So here's my advice. Eat local, eat seasonal, and support our farmers. It's good for your health, your family, and our planet. India's seasonal produce isn't just food, it's culture, tradition, and care on every plate. If you loved this quick tour of India's seasons, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite seasonal dish. Stay healthy, eat fresh, and I'll see you next time.